Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, 6:41 Eastern Standard Time. We are at 31 degrees Fahrenheit. Our battery is at 46%, giving us 149 miles. I am going to put it in standard mode today once we get going here, and let's see if it will take off from a parked position here. Oh, I hear it. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, let's get it down to standard. We put it down to standard by the click of the wheel, and we are heading to work. I did preheat the cabin for about, oh, let's see, I guess we're going on 40 minutes right now. I had it set at 80. It gets very warm in here. Turning this down, it's too hot. I think it should be illegal to go to work when it's dark. This morning we did our trunk or treat last night, and I think the final count was like 1,800 kids. I don't know if that included the kids and parents or just the kids, but it felt like 1,800 kids. It was a 3-hour event. So I know a lot of people are always, how fast is the battery drain? How quick does it go? What can you do with it? So I think on my next charge, I'm going to maybe do some more documentation to kind of give a more accurate feedback. But I do know for this one, we charge it to 80%. We charge it 80% on Sunday. Monday, I did not drive it. Jeff did drive it to my work and home. Let's see, Tuesday I drove it. Tuesday night we had our trunk or treat. I ran 2 blow up Halloween decorations. One was a 10-foot high arch, the other was a 4-foot spider, and we ran that for probably at least 3.5, maybe 4 hours. And we had the parking lights on and the bed light in the truck on. We did not have Sentry mode on, and we turned off the climate on that one. We always do have Sentry mode running unless we specifically turn it off, and that does drain the battery. I don't think it drains it a lot. I want to say maybe 1% an hour. I don't know. It doesn't seem to really drain it. It doesn't seem to impact it that much that I'm like, oh my gosh, let's not run this, or only run it during certain times. We have it on all the time, unless we specifically turn it off for some event. So that was Sunday. Today's Wednesday morning, and we are at 45% battery right now. So I don't know. For me, I don't think it's that bad. And we've been cold. It was 32 degrees when I woke up. And I don't think it's supposed to get very high today, maybe source of a truck that has a battery, I could have just taken it and plugged it in. We had extension cords and things like that, so I could have plugged in an electric blanket and been fine. So if you go tailgating, especially in the Northeast, at some of these football games up here, and you have an electric vehicle, bring an electric blanket. Especially if you're tailgating. And then I was thinking I could have brought my Keurig and made some hot chocolate. All these things you don't think about that you can do when you have an EV that you don't necessarily can do if you have a nice car. We are going to need to be getting over one lane. In a hurry, we would have been over by now. And I do think that is why I did hurry originally, is because it moves over a lot faster. This one, I have a feeling, I don't know, we'll see what it's going to do. If it's going to ride the lane out. Almost rode the lane out. Alright, we got to get over 2 more lanes. Alright, that's 1. And 1 more. And see how very just slow and methodical it moves over. And I think this is why I had it in hurry. Not that the hurry mode is any faster. It kind of lags a lot, but it's less laggy, if that's a word, than standard. But we'll leave it in standard mode today because I had a comment about would standard mode not park or stop as close to the car in front, so we're going to try that. We may not get too much chance this early in the morning to test that out, but I have a client that I'm seeing this afternoon where we'll definitely run into some traffic, so we'll be able to get an idea. We're coming up to this traffic circle here where it likes to split the lanes. There's 2 ways to go. And in hurry, it will always want to, well, just like here, so that's the same. It likes to take where the lines are. It gets confused. Speed-wise, it feels about the same. It's getting through the traffic. What is our max on this one? Oh, like 45 on here, so. Alright, I will have to take over because my parking lot for work is right here. Oh yeah, we got lots of room. Alright, there we go. Alright, well thanks for following along. have a great day, and we will catch you on the next one.